You know, you're playing 90 minutes of football, and you just do your best in that, really.
Because you've thrived as underdogs, and there's expectation now, isn't there? Rightly so from fans.
Yeah, I think so, as I say, but you know, we just focus on our job really, and that's all we can do. You know, we use the underdogs thing a little bit for us as well. You know, when that was happening, and as you say, it has changed a little bit. But you know, the main thing is that we just keep trying to do what we've done for the whole campaign and for the last few years, and just really concentrate on that really, and that's all I think we can do now. You know, we can't go into it looking any other way.
I have to mention the heat as well. How does that change anything for you guys? I mean, I sat on a laptop earlier today in a room, and I was in bits, if I'm honest.
You sure you wasn't at the pool? I think it is. No, it's obviously a factor, but it's something that you know, we've spoken about, and you know, we'll try and manage. There's no getting around it. It's going to be a hot night. You know, we're going to have to play in it, so it's something that we'll have to deal with. That's out of our control, really, the heat. So it's not something that we'll worry about. We'll just try and do the best we can to manage it, within the team, really. So it's not something that we're overly stressing about. We understand it's there, and we'll deal with it when the time comes. I think that the biggest obstacle will be our attitude and how we go about the game. You know, because we talk a lot about focusing on ourselves. You know, we respect the opposition and we do our work on them. But at the end of the day, we feel that if we perform how we can, we'll win any game. So as long as we're on it, that's what we'll focus on. You know, as I say, we do our work in the week about the opposition. But ultimately, it comes down to ourselves and the way that we perform.